It looks something like this, and we commonly see it growing on trees and rocks. But in order to understand lichen, we have to understand symbiosis and fungi. Symbiosis is the encounterment and interaction between two organisms for the benefit of both of them, or sometimes just one. As demonstrated in Nemo, the clownfish gets along with the sea anemone. I'm not going to hurt myself. The fungus is composed of two phylums, Ascomycota and Basidiomycota. Basidiomycota, or club fungi, is made up of the mushrooms we see every day, while Ascomycota is made up of cup fungi. The way fungus reproduces is mostly asexual. It'll start out as a spore. The spore then grows some mycelium, and then that mycelium, or the spore will have a fruiting body. I guess the mycelium or the fungus. That fruiting body then releases some spores from its gills, and then the cycle repeats itself. Lichen is a symbiosis between fungus and algae, in which the fungus gives the algae protection from the harsh environment and from drying up, while the algae gives the fungus in return some glucose from its photosynthesis. The inside of lichen is a bunch of this hypha stuff, or hypha, that makes up mycelium. The outside of it is just a bunch of that, and the inside of it is hyphae wrapped around the cells of algae. It looks something like this. See, there's the algal cells right there. Well, that and this, that is the hyphae. Now, lichen reproduces asexually and sexually. When it reproduces asexually, it will grow some of these. The lichen, or the algae cells, wrapped around the hyphae, as I was saying, and then these will break through and break off and grow their own lichen. Oh, sorry, like float into the wind. When it reproduces sexually, it forms a cup on it. And in that cup, it grows a bunch of spores. This cup is called the apothecia. Apothecia. The outside of the lichen, or the shape of the lichen, is called the thallus. There are 6 kinds of thallus. Squamulous lichen, which looks like this. It's sort of like scales. Ankylos lichen, which looks like a bunch of scales. Leprous lichen, which looks like powdered dust, dusted on something. Gelatinous lichen, which looks like balls of goo. Fruticose lichen, which looks like a tiny mini shrub with leaf, that's leafless, a leafless mini shrub. See? Foliose lichen, which is like paper folded down, paper. And crustose lichen, which looks like peeling paint. Most lichen is made of ascomycota fungi, which means it grows these bulbs that I drew on the board. Some of it is made of basidiomycota fungi, though, which means it'll grow these tiny little mushrooms that will release their spores. Lichen grows in places with good amounts of sunlight that are damp, and basically anywhere it can thrive, like gravestones, rocks, trees, logs. Anywhere it can thrive. I think that lichen is one of the most fascinating displays of symbiosis. So next time you see something green on a tree or a rock, take a closer look and you might just be mystified.